Kimberly, what are you doing?
Calm down.
What are you doing here? How did you get in here? I don't get it. You're asking me to calm down, you invade my privacy, and you're asking me to calm down. Does your friend even know you're here?
Oh, Gerald, she doesn't, and she doesn't need to know.
Is this a joke? Hey, don't come any close to me.
Oh, come on, baby.
Don't touch me. I'm not your baby. See, you need to start getting out of this room now.
Oh, gosh, Gerald. Everyone knows I'm attracted to only married men. And not only has Daphne told me how good you are in bed, I just saw for myself that you have a really big road down there.
This is absolute madness. This is madness. I don't understand it. Did anybody see you come up here? My help?
Nobody saw me. We're safe.
Good. Listen to me. This can't happen, alright? I'm going to pretend that it never did. You're going to leave this room now and make sure that she doesn't see you.
I'll do that when we're done here, baby.
Wait. Aren't you listening to me? I don't want to be rough with you.
I like it raw.
Hey. Get out of my room. Get out.
Gerald, everybody knows I'm on the top list of all the big men in Lagos.
Who cares?
And it would be a privilege for you to have something to do with me. And trust me, don't be quick to tell Daphne about what just happened, because very soon you realize you want me.
So we had a flat tire today. Cassie had to call someone to assist us, and